So I had this dream last night. Um, I was like in my room and I was digging for crystals and I found like a shit ton of rainbow hematite underneath my floorboards and in my bed, and there was also some lotus seeds too in my bed. There was like a tree stump and like you could dig it up, obviously, right? Because we're digging. It's almost like that trend where everything is cakes, but instead everything is like dirt that you could dig into that has rainbow hematite underneath. um, and this person that sometimes she pops into my dreams and like we're friends, even though in real life our relationship ended very poorly. But I mean, here's to that, I guess. Like, she was digging in my bed, which was dirt, like the cakes. And like it was just like the tiniest rainbow hematite. And she's like, "Well, look at all this." And at the same time, it was also Ray, who was there too. So I was digging in my floorboards and just, it just kind of came up really easily, like in a clump, and shit ton of large, like to medium sized crystals. And I was taking them and I'm like, whoa, like there's just so much rainbow hematite. What am I even going to do with all this? So I was like taking a few and I'm like, should I even take this many? Like, it's going to be there. It's not like we're not going to come here again. But at the same time, like I didn't live there and I couldn't come there again. So it was like a place that I had went to. But, yeah. I've been traveling more in my dreams and seeing all these people in these places that I guess we just won't be together in for a while, which is fine. But it's like people I didn't even expect to think about subconsciously. Like we don't really have a connection, and I just saw them fleetingly. But here we are in a space together. I guess it's kind of like when you run into somebody at a party and you didn't expect them to be there, or like some kind of event, like you're not, you just end up being. That's cool, I guess. I wonder how that is for other people, if they're just like, why is she in my dream right now? And I'm just like there eating a Kit Kat and I'm like telling them a random fact about like, I don't know, my ceilings are approximately 7 feet tall. Like, what are the dimensions of your space, bro? Am I gonna show up in your dream tonight asking you the dimensions of your space? Maybe I am. I don't know. I guess we'll see.